duo, Asher!
Yeah! Na NFT! Poster ng journey ninyo sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya. How does it feel na umabot hanggang dulo?
Grabe, parang panaginip. I can't believe na we're here. At maraming salamat talaga sa mga supportan nyo talaga.
Easy!
We couldn't do it without you. And ayun, I love you all. Maraming salamat po.
And ikaw naman, AC, what can you say?
Oh my God! Ang daming tao! Thank you so much po. Sobrang grateful po ako for everyone and for being here. I never expected to reach this far. I never expected to be here at all.